We've finished the end-to-end order-to-cash process and received the money for our transaction. At the end of the year, or whenever we do our audit, we need to make sure that all our transactions can be traced back to the original document.
In this demo, we'll have a look at how the order-to-cash process impacts financials within SAP Business One. First, let's have a look at the relationship map. We select the sales order 850 that we created earlier, right-click on the document and select Relationship Map. We now see that the entire process is completed, all documents are closed, and there's no more outstanding activity. Now, let's have a look at some of the financial reports. Within the report menu, let's select Document Journal. Here, we can now drill down to the different types of accounts, such as assets, liabilities, capital and reserves, turnover, and so on. If I want to know more details on a specific type of account, such as turnover, I just click on the golden arrow. The system shows us all the different GL accounts that are associated with the drawer turnover, such as domestic sales, foreign sales, miscellaneous revenue, or discounts. I can click on any of those accounts, for example, sales revenue domestic, to see the current balance. What I now want to do is to get the detailed journal entries within the drawer turnover that were posted between the 1st of January 2018 and 31st of December 2018. So I select turnover and click OK. The system will now show me all the individual journal entries related to turnover within this selected range. I can now scroll all the way down to have a look at the most recent journal entry. As you can see, that is transaction number 5463, where amounts were posted into 4 GL accounts: a Gyro Bank account, a GST payable account, a customer discount account, and an accounts receivables account for MaxiTag. If we click on the golden arrow next to the transaction number, the system will display the details of the journal entry. As you can see, there is an original source document with the document type RC that is responsible for those journal entries. So we know those journal entries have been done by the system automatically. When we again click on the golden arrow, the system brings us to the original document, which is the incoming payment from the customer. We can see that this incoming payment referred to document 1026, and if we click on the golden arrow, we can find that the document 1026 is the accounts receivables invoice. As we can see in the remarks, this invoice is based on sales order 850 and delivery 1048. But we can also click on the relationship map to see all the documents related to this invoice. We can then select the sales order, and we are back to the original document that started the entire order to cash flow. This demo shows you that SAP Business One is a complete and fully integrated ERP solution, providing full visibility on all business transactions to SMEs and business owners. Most of the financial documents are automatically created, which significantly reduces manual efforts and potential errors, and documents can be always traced back to their original source.